Managing iPhone or iPad files can be tricky, so many try FileMaster. It handles file management, media, transfers, and privacy, but is it worth it in 2026? In this review, we'll cover features, pros and cons, safety, user feedback, and the best alternative. Part 1. What is FileMaster? FileMaster is an iPhone or iPad file manager that organizes, transfers, and protects photos, videos, music, documents, and more. It includes a media player, Wi-Fi transfer, cloud support, and private folders. Free version covers basics. Premium unlocks advanced features. Part 2. Key features of FileMaster. Advanced file management: create folders, move, copy, rename, delete. Desktop-style interface. Built-in media player: play audio or video with pause, fast forward, and background play. Wi-Fi transfer: upload or download files wirelessly via browser. No cables needed. Privacy and security: passcode or Face ID. Hide files. Cloud integration. Manage cloud files. Document viewing. Preview PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, text. Zip handling. Compress or extract to save space. Part 4. How to use FileMaster on iPhone, iPad. Import files. Use import to add from photos, files, or other apps. Download via built-in browser. Transfer to computer. Use Wi-Fi transfer, connect to same network. Open FileMaster transfer section. Enter web address in browser. Lock private files. Move to private folder. Enable passcode or Face ID. Manage delete files. Long press to rename, move, copy, delete, or organize. Play media. Tap to use built-in player. Cloud storage. Link accounts to manage online files like local ones. Part 5. Is FileMaster safe? FileMaster is a safe app store file manager for photos, videos, and documents, with passcode or Face ID protection. Free version shows ads and tracks some data. Avoid highly sensitive info. For maximum privacy, use iOS files or iCloud Drive. Part 6. Best alternative to FileMaster. FileMaster handles basic iPhone or iPad files, but has ads, limits, and slow large transfers. Mobikin Assistant for iOS offers faster, more stable management, transfer, and backup on Windows or Mac. How to use Mobikin Assistant for iOS to transfer and manage iPhone or iPad data. Step 1. Connect your device. Download and install Mobikin Assistant for iOS on Windows or Mac. Connect your iPhone or iPad via USB. Unlock it and tap Trust if prompted. Step 2. Transfer data between iOS device and computer. Open Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It detects your device and shows info. Select a category: photos, messages, contacts, music, videos to preview data. Step 3. Manage data: delete, edit, organize. Select files or categories. Click Export to transfer to PC. Import to add from PC. Delete to remove data, or edit to modify contacts, notes, or calendar. Step 4. One-click backup and restore. Go to the Super Toolkit section on the top menu and click iTunes Backup and Restore. Choose Backup to save your iPhone data to the computer, or select Restore and pick a previous backup file.